Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Play Store something went wrong, try again. So guys, when you open your Play Store app and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys after going back you need to open your settings in your phone, and guys after this you need to click on Wi-Fi, and guys turn on your Wi-Fi and connect any Wi-Fi network with your device. So guys, if not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data, and guys after doing this you need to go back. The second is you need to scroll down, click on app management, and here is the option of app list. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and guys after this you need to scroll it down, and here you need to find Google Play Store. So guys, here you can see simply you need to click on it, and guys after this you need to click on storage and cache and click on clear storage or clear data, and guys after doing this you need to go back. And guys, the third step is you need to open your Play Store again, and guys wait for a few seconds because I have cleared all the data, therefore it takes time for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see my Play Store has been open. So guys, simply you need to click on your main profile, click on settings, and click on about and update your Play Store from here. And guys after doing update, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to download any app through Google Play Store. So guys, now you can see here. So here you can see, if for example if you want to download PUBG, you need to click on it. So guys, after doing all the settings, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to open your settings again, and guys after this you need to scroll it down, click on system, and guys after this you need to click on reset phone and reset Wi-Fi settings. And guys, if you have using data, then guys you need to select any sim, and guys after this Wi-Fi and mobile Bluetooth automatically will be reset. So guys, simply you need to click on reset, and after doing reset your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.